This is the gazebo. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm. Apparently the snow got on top of the gazebo, weighted it down, and it all came crashing down. So that's the fan. That's the top. That's the part that was up here. And now they've still got some of the frame left, but as you can see, it ripped ripped all the sides off the gazebo. Ripped every side off of it. And the other gazebo over here is really got the worst of it. This is the metal one. And as you can see, there's the fan down there. It collapsed. Now that was a low impact collapse apparently, because it didn't break anything. Well, it didn't break anything on the mirror. It sure bent all the metal. Yeah, it really did this. And this is the frame is really bent on this one. As you can see, it's broken in a lot of places. Here we go. Oh, there, I can see it better from there. And there's the other one. Wow.